नमस्कार दोस्तों। टुडे इज 8th March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty, review my today's trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learning and MTM position at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trading idea and trade setup. Before I start, let me thank you all my followers. Today my YouTube channel has touches the first important milestone of achieving 100 subscribers. So currently I have 102 subscribers. So thank you very much all of you. For a young creator like me, it's a very big motivation. It means that I'm doing something right. So thanks for your trust in me. Now, having said that, let's first look into how the markets are looking. So first we'll go to our global cues. First we will go to 10-year bond yield, and the 10-year bond yield is just not stopping and it is continuously moving up. Now it is coming closer to 1.6. So this is definitely not a good sign for all the global market, and specifically in India context, our bank nifty, because this is a direct indication that inflation will rise and it will have impact on banking sector. Now when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 now on the second day has taken a support on 8 bar moving average and it is continuously moving up. Let's see if it crosses 20 bar moving average or it is returning from here. So this is a crucial time. I think before we do anything tomorrow morning, one needs to check on how the S&P 500 has shaped up today. But definitely the confirmation what we are looking yesterday, we have got that confirmation. So S&P 500 is moving up, which is a good sign. US dollar, US government bond yield moving up, not a good sign. Dollar index moving up, good sign for IT, but not a overall good sign. So two bad sign, one good sign. So it's still tricky, but S&P 500 is like mother of all the markets, specifically for India. So we will take this clue and we'll keep this in mind. So having keeping that into background, let's see how Lalaji is looking on daily basis. So my baby is in full mood today. She's like shouting all over. So I'm sorry for that. So uh, okay. So Lalaji has closed today below 20, above 8, and above 50 bar moving average, but closing is below 20. So on daily basis, market Nifty is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, Nifty has also closed below 50, below 20, and below 8, and just about 200. And magical blue line, uh, above magical blue line, and this blue dotted line. So here also, market is in downtrend. I use a fairly simple trade setup. So if you want to know what are these lines, then please check out my video on YouTube called Trade Setup. Now, having said that, let's see how SGX is looking. So SGX currently is like shooting up. It's at 15,123. Now, when we say 15,123, it means it is above 15,112, which is a weekly resistance, which will also act like a support if the market opens up tomorrow here. So market again, like today, is going to open up above the range, above today's range, and then we need to see how the market is reacting. So for tomorrow, my trade plan is to take a 15-minute breakout, assuming that market will open gap up above 15,112. If market opens above 15,112, then we look for a 15-minute breakout. If it gives a follow up, then we go for a target of 15,300. And if it comes down, then we are looking for a very strong mood coming down to 14,950, which is also 200-day moving average and our magical line. So for Nifty tomorrow, on open, if it is above 15,112, then 15-minute breakout either on upside or downside. If it opens below 15,112, then look for a price reversal at 15,112 and go for a short position for 15,000. So sell on rise. That's the strategy for Nifty tomorrow. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, on daily chart, it has closed below 20, below 8. So here it is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has also closed below 200 and just touching 20, 50 and 8 bar. So this is a very crucial junction. From here, Bank Nifty may shoot up and may cross 35,754 also. So depend upon where it is opening. But so Bank Nifty is little tricky. But if it opens again 335,754, then 15-minute breakout could be a good option, because this is also weekly R3 200-day moving average. H3 for tomorrow is 35,587 and H4 is 35,810. So Bank Nifty also is sell on rise tomorrow for a target of 34,900. So I think that market now has entered into a new consolidation phase, which is also a healthy sign for a bull market. And market is running in very narrow range. So if you see a Friday and today's move, there is not much difference. So it's playing in a very narrow range of Bank Nifty is operating between 34,900 and you can say 35,800, and Nifty is operating between 15,100 to 14,900. So that's the very narrow range in which market is operating on. Today, our sell trade plan was to look for a market if it is correcting from 15,112, and that's exactly what happened. Market had a gap up opening, it went up, and from 15,112 it had a very strong it had a very narrow range, but it came down and then consolidated and again had a very volatile session. Today I did not took any trade, neither on Nifty or Bank Nifty. I just wanted to observe how the markets are playing up, and sometimes I was just not ready to take a trade today. So no trade for me today. Let's see if tomorrow market falls in our lap. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Sell on rise or 15-minute breakout if we get a follow up on the top side. I hope this discussion has added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.